Our dreams and the difficulties we face to attain them are like a battle between the sunshine and shadows. What we keep our minds and faces focused on is what dominates the use of our time, energy, and resources. When we keep our faces to the sunshine, we move with hope and optimism, navigating towards our dreams, and the shadows of difficulties we have will fall behind us. But if we chose to focus on the shadow of difficulties, of discomfort, distractions, and disappointments, we lose the beauty of going on to achieve our dreams. The shadows spread a darkness of difficulties, fears, or negativity that can hold us back. In this context, we are looking at it from the stance that though the shadows exist with its numerous obstacles, our focus on the light helps us navigate through them. We don't avoid or run away from the shadow as it is always there, but we find ways to overcome its problems and maintain our focus on the light that comes with attaining our dreams. Before we continue, please press the like and subscribe buttons. You can also share the post with your friends. We will be very glad. Let's go on with our discussion. We must encourage ourselves to concentrate on what uplifts and energizes us to constantly go towards our dreams, even when difficulties pull at us. We must constantly let the light of our dreams illuminate our hearts to remind us of its pursuit. Chadwick Boseman, with the darkness of cancer tugging at him, chose instead to focus on the sunshine of featuring in the series of the Avengers, Wakanda, and other movies to fulfill his dreams, bringing more light and happiness into our lives, which we remember him by always. Making progress, however small, can keep difficulties from overwhelming us. Focusing on the sunshine is a call to keep moving forward, trusting that the more we focus on the good, the less power the negative has over us. This philosophy aligns with our personal development, choosing a growth mindset that allows us to see difficulties as opportunities for learning rather than view them as insurmountable problems. As people of faith, sunshine could symbolize God's light or divine guidance. Keeping our faces toward this light could represent taking steps of faith, trusting in a higher purpose, and walking through life with the assurance that, with divine direction, your obstacles will become less significant. Our continual focus on the light aids us to see ways to fulfilling our dreams, and this diminishes the effect of the darkness. As the scripture says, the light shines, and the darkness cannot understand, overpower, or absorb it. Like, comment, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. I will see you again. Thank you.